Hello everyone and welcome to Coin Engineers. Today we're gonna have a look at the Chainflip Testnet. You can see our Chainflip coinless pre-sale video on the screen right now. We're also gonna have a look at its testnet and make some transactions because we think there might be an airdrop because Coinbase invested nearly $19 million in this project. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So as I said, we're gonna be making some transactions on the Chainflip Testnet, and we're gonna need a Metamask wallet for this. So if you don't have a Metamask wallet or don't know how to use it, you can check out our Metamask tutorial video from the top right corner and then continue watching this video. After setting up your Metamask wallet, you will need to set up your Girly testnet, which is the Ethereum-based testnet that we use to make transactions on the test networks. So after opening Chainlist, connect your wallet on this button here, and then click on Include Testnets, and then write Girly here, and then you can see this is the one. Just click on Add to Metamask and it will add it to your Metamask wallet. Now after adding Girly to your Metamask wallet, you will need testnet Ethereums to pay for the transaction fee. So open girlyfaucet.com, just copy and paste your wallet address in this blank and click on Send Me Ethereum. You will get your Ethereums in a couple of minutes. Now let's convert the Ethereums that we get from the Girly faucet into Flip tokens. To do that, open Uniswap. But first of all, you will not be able to see Chainflip in the token list. So to be able to see Flip token in the Uniswap, open this website. As I said, this is the testnet of Chainflip. Just scroll down and click on Add Flip to Wallet. Then click on Add Token. After adding the token, you will see the Flip token just like this. So click on it and click on the three little dots. You will see the token details. Copy the token contract address, open Uniswap back again, just choose here and then paste the address that we just copied. You will see Chainflip just like this and then choose it. Now as I said, it depends on you how many of your Ethereums you want to convert into Flip tokens. I just converted one Ethereum into Flip tokens and that's nearly the equivalent of 203 Flip tokens. Now, after getting your Flip tokens, you can close Uniswap. Now, all we have to do is to stake some Flip tokens. So I will write down 25 and click on Approve. After clicking on Approve, you will need to confirm the transaction in your wallet. Okay, so as you can see, it is approved. Now click on Submit Stake and confirm and stake. Now, after staking your tokens, all that is left to do is to unstake them. So click on Unstake, choose the amount of tokens you'd like to unstake. In this case, I will choose all of them and click on Approve SD Flip. And that's all we're gonna do. After the approval, I will just click on Submit Unstake, and that's all the things that you can do on Chainflip's testnet right now. As you can see, it's approved. Now I will click on Submit Unstake and confirm. And we successfully completed the staking and unstaking transactions on Chainflip's testnet. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And with that said, I will see you guys in our next videos.